All right, guys, now we're going to put text on the page. This one, I know that we've been through this, but we're going to start with the copy text, go to the subhead, and then we're going to cut and paste and make sure that we do all of our captions. I'm going to show you how to do these boxes. I'm also going to show you how to change colors. So this one, I have everything out. This one right here is done pretty darn good. I have gridded. Yours should look like this too, just as far as the grid lines. Then when you're looking for text, make sure you go to body. And this one, you look up here, it's Avalon condensed, so we're good. Then we have our wonderful tab over here called Lorem Ipsum. And you go and you press Control C. And here, this is going to be the start of most of our text. And you're going to go Control V, Control V, Control V. Now, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see it, because this, again, I've told you guys before, if you've seen mistakes in yearbooks, this is how it happens when people don't take and zoom in. And then they have technical problems. Okay, so this one, you want to take it and make it as big as you can. Okay, so you want to do this. I have a little bit of space, so this one, if you guys could, you guys go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys can make your paragraphs. So this one, but really all I do, okay, wait, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control, okay, oops, Control V. Now, have any of you guys seen the big X? What the big X means is that there's text down below. Okay, so I have my copy stuff. That one right there is just fine. Do you see what I just did? That you can duplicate, but you also need a subhead. So this one's not being my friend, but that's okay. You can take and you can use exactly what you just made, so you don't have to keep going back to Lorem Ipsum, which is a pain in the bahookie. So this one you want to go, and this is your subhead. So if you remember that it is Avalon bold, I want to do this. Technology always works to your favor, doesn't it? Boom. Okay, so this one right here, this is your subhead. So boom, we got copy. We can also do the very same thing for our captions. So if you go to duplicate, now captions are not that big if you remember like what they are on the spread. Most of them are about like 5 to 6 sentences. What do I do now when I do captions? You want to take that and remember that it's 8-point font. It's going to be smaller. So if you, okay, let's take and shorten this a little bit. You want to go down here like this and put it in the text. If you guys remember that that also has a subhead, so you can kind of mark it. And that's what a lot of this is. Okay, what does this mean? You guys are going to see that red box. That just means that you have more space or you have more text. So all you do like this, you kind of take it and make it fit that space. A lot of yearbooking is fitting that space. So if you have, maybe you have a really small quote, you can easily just take and make the picture bigger. So how do I make that big mamma jamma down below? Because remember that we stack them. Go like that. And then we got a wonderful Control C.